Avian influenza was first spotted in the U.S. in 2022 in poultry flocks and then spread to dairy herds in 2024. I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter. According to the Centers for Disease Control, there have been 70 confirmed cases of avian influenza in humans. Looking a little bit closer to home, 38 of them have been in the state of California. 36 have been attributed to cattle. 2 cases are still unknown. We reached out to Betsy Hunter, the Central Valley representative for the Milk Producers Council, a nonprofit that represents dairy farms all throughout California. She declined an interview but said, quote, "There are a handful of dairies under quarantine, and since they've been under quarantine, they've been focusing on the health and welfare of their employees and animals," end quote. According to the California Department of Food and Agriculture, as of April 17th, 764 infected dairies have been found in California since the first detection of avian influenza, 603 of which have been released from quarantine. According to a public records request made by 23 ABC, over 40 dairies in Kern County have been affected by the virus, but it is unclear how many are actively under quarantine or how many have been released. Also in Kern County, there have been 4 cases of the virus in humans, but there is no indication on the public health website how the 4 cases came to be. However, according to Assistant Division Director of Health Services for Kern County Public Health, Paul Rasidlo, there's likely more cases than that, but it's unlikely there have been any severe undocumented cases. Rasidlo continued by saying there is little risk to the public regarding the disease as long as they stay away from sick animals.
The general risk to the public is still low. As mentioned, there's been no documented human-to-human transmission. Unless you're working with these animals, working with sick birds, things like that, your risk is low. And then, if you don't have a reason like a job or something like that to be around sick animals, if you see sick birds, don't go up to them, and that'll help reduce your risk as well.
According to Kern County Public Health, if you do suspect that you've contracted bird flu, they ask that you call the county agency for future guidance on testing to help limit the spread of the disease. In Bakersfield, I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter.